Keeping your graphics card drivers updated is a crucial step for a flawless gaming experience. First, navigate to the Start menu, located in the bottom left corner of your screen, and left-click on it. In the search bar, type Device Manager and select it from the search results. The Device Manager window will appear. Scroll down and find Display Adapters, and then left-click the arrow next to it to expand the menu. You should now see your Nvidia graphics card listed. Right-click on it. In the context menu that appears, select Update Driver. A new window will open giving you two options. Select Search automatically for drivers. Windows will now search for the latest drivers online and install them. This process may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once updated, you may see a window stating that the best drivers for your device are already installed. If the drivers are not current, you will see another window stating that they are updating the drivers. If new drivers were found, Windows will install them and prompt you to restart your computer. After restarting, your Nvidia drivers will be up to date. You will be able to enjoy increased performance, and that's it. Your Nvidia drivers are now updated. So go back to gaming. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.